Oh, I received a package? Good morning, friends. It's your girl Dimes here. It is 10:38 a.m. We're getting the day started at a decent hour. I thought maybe today we could hang out. I'm mostly going to be around the house, editing, catching up with some emails, and you know, wherever the day leads us, we shall go. I have just spent some time with God per usual in the morning. If you haven't already, please just wake up a little bit earlier. If you have work at a certain time, if you have to tend to the babies or whatever you have to tend to, just take a moment in the morning and give God some praise. Spend a moment, even if it's 10 minutes, just sit in his presence, pray, listen to worship music, read a few Bible verses or read a chapter, read a few chapters. Just commune with God as soon as you open your eyes, because I am telling you, it is a life-changing experience. Thank me later. I also had like a virtual showroom tour this morning.
Down here we have 𝒾𝓉𝓽 shoes. So basically they just launched a capsule collection with Moda. So like the snake print, this nude, and these heels also are part of the Moda collection. She's really known for like this heel that she designed with VR.
That is such a cool heel.
Yeah, I love it. A lot of people love the shoes.
The florals are really nice. I love the black and white stripes.
Really?
I'm a very black and white stripe kind of girl, honestly.
They're based out of Bali. And this is her Pascal collection, so the most popular styles, but in silks and satins.
Pretty. I think that was the first time I've ever done a virtual tour of like different clothing pieces, and it turns out the girly who was giving me the tour there went to FAMU, and I'm a FAMU girly, so it's like, oh my gosh, we had a moment. So basically, if I have any like events coming up, they'll send you pieces for loan or for giftings, and you can wear them, tag the brand and stuff like that. So I apparently have a package at the office, which I may go get, but it's like, you know, when you've been inside and you don't want to go outside because then now you got outside on you. So like I can't sit certain places because the outside air is up on me. I don't know if that's super niche. If that's you, let me know, because I just sometimes wait to go outside, because once I'm outside, like, you know, the air. I have a campaign that is due today. I filmed it yesterday, but I have some things here. The light is being super poetic right now, and I wanted to film kind of like some B-roll type moment that I want you guys to view. But this is the brand that I am working with. They're called 𝒽𝓾. Not sponsored right now, but truly one of the best things that happened to my armpits last year when I was using the brand Humble. That was my go-to. Like, I was using Humble. They're a natural deodorant brand. Everything was going well until it wasn't going well. Literally last summer, my Humble deodorant brand decided it wanted to stop working. Just out of nowhere, out of the blue. We've been together for years. You want to break up? That's crazy work. So tell me why I was walking in Ulta, minding my business, and I passed this brand, and I was very captivated by the packaging. So I was like, oh, this is cute, and I just started researching it, and I'm like, oh, this is like nice. Messaged them on Instagram, and I just asked them like if they were ever doing any gifting, like I would love to be considered, and then they sent over their email, and then, you know, one thing led to another, and I'm now being paid by them. So what a blessing. I want to do some B-roll on how this rubs on, which is clear, really nice. And then I want to show myself kind of like putting it in different spaces. And yeah, I just want to finish editing. And then what else do I have on my list? I have to tinkle, but that has nothing to do with anything. I just thought you should know. I do want to try to finish some emails. I'm working on some vlogs right now that I want to continue editing. Why am I still holding this? Okay, I'm also working on some new content ideas, and yeah, we're just gonna spend some time at home. Lounge with me, bask with me. considered myself to be a chef yesterday, and I made some chicken breast that I had marinating, and I also made like some noodles. Oh good, my bread might almost be done. But I'm taking a little break to eat a little lunch. I didn't realize I didn't have a lot left. I forgot I didn't leave myself much, but I'm gonna eat a little bit. I'm also in a mood. I'm not really like claiming it to be a funk. It's just like I've been in a slower season, like in my hidden season, and now it's like, all right, it's time to go back to work. And it's been a lot, actually. It's like catching up with things, and when you've been just like in this state for a while, it's like a lot when you come out of it. My body is adjusting to looking at my screen so much. Like, I don't know why my body reacts the way that it does to like looking at screens and like the Blu-ray and the light. So I keep my blue light blocking glasses on, but I feel like I still feel it. I almost completely said forget the vlog today, but I don't want to be that way anymore because I did that a lot, and I'm trying to work on not doing that. So we're gonna keep rolling even when I don't feel the best. It be like that sometimes. I feel like that is how authenticity goes, right? Every day you might not be full of energy and it might not be what you're looking for, but you just have to keep swimming. So I'm gonna have a little lunch right now, and I'm gonna take a hot girl walk because I really need a break. I need a moment. My back, my brain, my everything. Beautiful people. It's actually been about a day later because I decided to take a little break. So y'all, I recently went to Sephora, right? And I bought a couple new items, and I've been trying this Sense sunscreen, and it's been really nice. I just put my makeup on, but you know, I'm just gonna try and put this on over it or whatever. I hope that's a thing, I don't know, but I'm gonna do it because I wanted to make sure I'm putting on my sunscreen. But this has been nice. The TikTok girlies recommended for black girls. I'm like, okay, bet, I'm into it, and it has been really nice. I got the one with a glowy finish, but I've noticed it actually kind of looks satin. Recently got this Tower 28 mascara, and I'm gonna try it again. I've been trying it for a couple of days, but like, I don't know if my eyes are just sensitive when I wear makeup because I really haven't been putting it on a lot, but sometimes I notice that my head would start hurting, and I'm like, is it because of this mascara? Sometimes my eyes will hurt if I have on like too much makeup. For my girlies who want to be on the go, very easy effortless under eye, this one by Make Beauty. This is their Skin Mimic concealer. I have to find what shade I am because I can never seem to remember, but this is one of my favorites. It matches my skin tone immaculately. And then to add a little brightness, I add this one by Sephora. This is their Bright Future Concealer number 13 Creme Caramel for my lip combo today. I did the lip bar. This is a black owned brand, and this is their Straight Living Smudge Proof lip liner. And then I love these yummy lip glosses by CoverGirl. This is their 40 Sunsets, guys. These yummy lip glosses are phenomenal, which leads me to a very rapid fire unboxing right quick because I have some new ones. Oh my gosh, this smells like mint for real. So this is their Freeze the Day gloss. I hope this is showing. I'm sorry that the light is kind of going in and out, but that's the life of a natural light girly. Oh my gosh, wow. Oh my gosh. These are what the yummy glosses are giving. Wow, look at this one. You can't see how totally amazing this color is, but please believe me, it is stunning. You have to leave it to Summer Fridays to have the most aesthetic packaging ever. I love these lip oils by Summer Fridays. And then I recently got this Rare Beauty package. I think they just launched new contours. Unfortunately, this is not my shade. None of these really are my contour shades, but we got range. Hey Selena. The girlies ate these up. These are their soft pinch liquid blushes and their highlighters. That was actually such a random impromptu unboxing. I need to take photos of those because I wanted to do like a PR, maybe PR Friday. It's Friday, by the way. Did I say happy Friday? Happy Fun Girl Friday. So y'all know I've been in the kitchen. One of my good friends is actually in town and she is gonna stop by. She is studying for her bar exam, so she needs a little break. So I decided I think I want to make her some salmon, some Spanish rice, maybe some cut up cucumbers, tomatoes, and just like give her an experience. So we have our salmon here. They've been thawing, well, unthawing for 24 hours, so they should be ready now. I'm going to take them through the usual salmon get ready procedure. Let me show you what I like to do. A good friend of mine, her name is Mina, she taught me how to make the meanest, amazingest salmon. First, you're gonna pat your salmon, dab it. We're gonna start off with our olive oil. You're gonna put your olive oil on first. And then I like to use black pepper, this Creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, the adobo. Then I like to garnish with a little bit of parsley. You're gonna season both sides. Hey girls! Usually I use the air fryer, but it's broken right now, so I'm gonna have to do things the old school way.
The girls say that you kind of should leave the air fryer alone anyway, so this is great.
That is what they said. I'm like, I don't want to. So God forced my hand. What we're gonna do is add a little bit of oil to our pan. It's seemingly getting heated here. And then we're gonna put the salmon on. We have some diced tomatoes, cucumbers, a little salmon on a bed of butter garlic rice. And that, friends, is the lunch for today. I'm finally cozy in bed. Victoria and I stayed and chatted. We ate our salmon. She actually really enjoyed the salmon, which I'm very happy about. Pan fried salmon is chef's kiss. I used to do it in the air fryer, but man, on that pan is something. And it's something about getting like a premium olive oil too. I used to have like just the regular vegetable oil, but like when I got like the pure olive oil, and that's just the Publix brand. So one day when I upgrade and I get that like $15 olive oil, I don't know, it's gonna be on though. I, guys, am a tired little bean tonight. I just vlogged, or I just filmed another video for you guys, so I'm just like, yeah, I have persevered, and I'm grateful for you for hanging out with me today. So if you were feeling the vibe, totally subscribe and join the family. We give virtual hugs. I might be tired, but I can still give you a virtual hug. For my OGs returning, thank you for hanging out with me yet another day, and I cannot wait to catch you guys in the next one. Ciao!